My name's Jasper, and this is my second channel. Feel free to check out my main channel down below, but this is a channel where I post daily videos answering people's questions on how to grow a digital marketing agency using the GoHighLevel software. I've built my own six-figure agency over the past few years, and I still manage clients to this day, so I'm in the trenches with you, and now I help others for free to grow their own agency. And for context, the Zoom call recordings you'll see in these videos, I do every day for free for my GoHighLevel affiliates and just answer their different questions. If you want to be a part of these free Zoom calls and work with me directly, you can read more about how to get access to that down below.
I would set up a sub account. And then do you recommend doing the phone registration for the automation part as I design her website right away? Because it can take time, right?
100%. Yes, let me
Okay.
walk through the whole onboarding process, which you basically have mentioned all of it so far perfectly. And this is the section to refer back to. And I know I'm not trying to just refer you to my videos. I'm just going to walk through it because this is all in perfect
Yeah.
order. I created it this way so that it's in like the order that, because some things can't be done until other things are done. And so anyway, you got the payment, great. Like you said, you'll
Mhm.
create her sub account once you grab some of those things from her, like her business name, address, phone number, email, just the basic stuff, her ad. I think I said
Right.
address, stuff like that. Create the sub account. Then for her website, maybe she wants a form. So that's how to create the website forms for the websites. Maybe she wants a calendar. Sounds like maybe not. But you could create a calendar, the website chat
Mhm.
widget, and then how to build the website. So we create the things that go on the website first, and then we create the website. Those could, I guess, could kind of be mixed in all together. You don't necessarily have to go in that perfect order, but
Right.
But then to your question that you were just getting to, the phone setup, right after we start building the website, we do need the website built to do A2P because A2P
Oh, right.
requires the website with the
Right.
form, with the
Right.
checkbox, and a terms and conditions and privacy policy page. Those are all things that are required now for A2P, which is pretty
Right.
annoying, but so that's why we have the website part first, then A2P. But yes, while you're getting this all set up for her, you probably said, hey, give me whatever amount of time, a week, 2 weeks. Usually I say 2 weeks just to give me plenty of time to get
Yep.
everything set up for them. While that
Yep.
setup is going on, we get the A2P stuff started. Because usually if you do A2P right the first time, it's like a 24 hours wait time and then you get approved
Right.
and you're good to go. But sometimes there's hiccups that like it gets rejected and we have to go back and resubmit. And so anyway,
Right.
that'll give us plenty of time though to get that started towards the beginning of the process. So like by the end of the 2 weeks that we promised, phone number is approved and good to go, good to text people. Then the automations that we set up, then how to add the client to their sub account so they can act as a user inside the software and use the different
Mhm.
features, whether on the desktop app or the mobile app, whatever they prefer. And then how to send the mobile app to the client so they can download it and use it, log into it.
Yep.
The rebilling, how to get your client's card on file so it charges them for their own texts, their own emails, their own calling credits, those kinds of things. And then if they want to import any contacts into HighLevel, this video shows how to do that. If you want to do any sort of reactivation campaigns for your clients where it's like, hey, we'll send out a bulk text and email campaign to all of your old leads and customers to try to get them back into your business working with you again, or we'll do a reviews
Mhm.
reactivation where we'll send them all a Google review request, all the old customers that you've worked with over the past couple of years to try to get you a bunch of Google reviews really quick for your Google profile.
Okay.
And then a couple others that are just kind of extras down here. But yeah, those are the main ones right there. That's the whole process. So sounds like
Okay.
on perfect track.
Perfect. Thank you.
If you want some more in-depth content on how to grow your digital marketing agency, you can join my free HighLevel Quest community down below. It has my full 7-hour course on how to get your agency fully set up and go high level from start to finish.